What's up, everybody? Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and I just got an awesome box from OPENROAD 4-wheel drive. Now, I just got their new flat roof rack, and it's going to kind of split duty between that beautiful 60,000 mile van right there and this truck with the bed rack on it right behind me. But I haven't even looked in the box yet, so I'm going to turn this camera around. We're going to take a look and see what's inside the box. All right, guys, here it is. Here is the big old box that FedEx dropped off. This is the flat roof rack from OPENROAD. And here it is. So I'm going to go put the camera on a tripod so I can open this up and show you everything that's inside that comes with the roof rack. Now, as you can see, the box is a little bit beat up, but I have complete confidence because OPENROAD does such a good job of packaging their stuff that I never have to worry about that pesky FedEx driver beating it up. All right, let me get this on a tripod. We'll get it opened up right now. All right, guys, so let's dig into this box. I don't even know where to start. I'll just start by cutting the big straps here. Come on, you. Like I said, OPENROAD is really good about the way they pack their stuff. They use good materials and good boxes. They want to make sure that their products get to you in good shape and ready to go. Of course, you got to know how to open the boxes. Oh, looks like I'm on its side. All righty, there we go. Okay. So what we've got is we've got a flat roof rack, and it's all aluminum. It only weighs 36 pounds, and it consists of slats like this that sit on the roof. So we'll go ahead and we'll get all this out of here. We got crossbars here. Screws down to this end. Got all of our connecting pieces. Bag of hardware. Looks like one of the end surround pieces there. Oh, I'm being attacked by plastic. Of course, the wind is going to pick up the moment I start doing that. And then, of course, you'll have your corners like this, which connect everything together. And it's going to have a nice rounded aerodynamic edge to it to keep it nice and quiet. So I'm going to pull all this out. We're going to set it out on the ground so you get a good idea of what it looks like. right, guys, there you go. That is the basic shape of the OPENROAD Flat Roof Rack. Like I said, it only weighs about 35, 36 pounds, and it'll hold up to 300 pounds on top of it. Now, I just laid it out like that so you can see what it looks like. Now I need to get everything bolted together, and then we can put it up on top of the vehicle. So the corners fit together with just a simple Phillips head with the supplied hardware. So we're putting all 4 corners together first. Whoop. Now the slats are just sitting on it right now, so if I went any further, they just go falling out. But holding it up carefully, putting all the 4 corners on, and then we'll move on to the next part. Next, with the supplied hardware and the Allen wrench, we're going to attach the 4 main slats. Now I'm just going to put these on finger tight because the crossbars underneath are all going to have to match up also. We're going to have 4 of these across each side. All right, there's one of the ends done. We'll go to the other end, get that one on, finger tight, then we'll put the bottom crossbars on. Go away, Mr. Wasp. All right, so all of the crossbars are on. Now we can put the braces underneath and we'll be good to go. Our next step is to put on the crossbars that go underneath, which is 3 of these guys right here. They each have 5 holes in them, and the holes are going to correspond with the center of the main slats. And each one is going to be put together with one of these guys here to go in the slat. You're going to use the provided hardware to secure everything like this. That's why I left these finger tight, is I wanted them to be able to move just a little bit, just in case we needed a little bit of extra room to fit these guys in. So I'll go ahead and put 19 more of those on. All right, I just put the first under crossbar in one of these braces that goes side to side on. Got all the supplied hardware put in, and of course it's got these plastic divider caps on it, so everything's centered. So my next step is I'm going to measure this, make sure it's square, and I'll get it tightened down. Once I get the other 2 on, then I need to go back and put a washer on each of these guys, because I just put them through finger tight for the main top crossbars, but we'll get everything worked out. All right, guys, there you have it. The OPENROAD roof rack is fully installed on the adventure van. Now, we decided to use the brackets upside down on these just simply for ease of use, so we can get them back off very easily. Now, we're actually going to choose a different system to mount this. We're going to drill holes and go straight into the crossbars because they're not quite as wide as the brackets that are provided. Now, the brackets will work with 99% of applications, but sometimes you can modify it a little bit, make it work for you. And we're actually going to be changing it up a little bit. So there you have it. That is the OPENROAD Flat Roof Rack mounted on a 2000 Dodge Grand Caravan. That's going to be our new adventure van. It's actually going to be my daughter's. We're going to get it all outfitted and do all kinds of cool stuff with it. Next up, we're going to get some cases mounted up on top, and then we are ready to rock and roll. Now, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them below. Be glad to hear from you. But for now, this is Chris signing off for Bold Canyon Outdoors. Happy trails, everybody.